Hi friends, welcome to my channel presenting review of Copsil's Cup Syrup. Copsil's Cup Syrup is manufactured by Cipla Health Limited. Copsil's Cup Syrup is available in a bottle which contains 100 ml Copsil Cup Syrup. This syrup is used in the treatment of cough, cold and sore throat. It shows fastest onset of action, multi-symptom relief. Copsil's cup syrup is available in delicious flavor. It have delicious taste and flavor. Copsil's cup syrup shows better result than any other brand. Copsil's cup syrup is safe and effective. It contains diphenhydramine, ammonium citrate and sodium citrate. Copsil's cup syrup is safe and affordable, cost only 75 rupees. Let's see its doses. Copsil's cup syrup's doses for 2 to 5 years is half teaspoonful after every 4 years. 6 to 12 years 1 teaspoonful after 4 hours. Over 12 years and adults 2 teaspoonful means 10 ml every 4 hours. Copsil cup syrup is best and available almost all medical stores. It shows better onset of action. If you like this video, share as maximum as possible. Thanks for watching video.